The propagation of chua begins with selecting healthy mother trees, understanding their flowering and fruiting cycles, and collecting seeds at the right time. These initial steps play a crucial role in producing high-quality seedlings for nursery production and forest planting. We enter forested or natural planting areas to locate and identify healthy, disease-free chua mother trees. Chua produces small purple flowers in clusters, which typically bloom from June to July and may continue until October. Following fruit set, the fruits require approximately 2.5 to 3 months to ripen. From late September to October, the fruits reach full maturity, with optimal juiciness and quality. Harvesting fruits during this period ensures seeds with high viability and strong germination potential. Seed treatment to stimulate germination. Before sowing, chua seeds are removed from the fruits and thoroughly washed to eliminate impurities. The seeds are then sun-dried under gentle sunlight, or fire-dried when weather conditions are unfavorable. Once dry, the seeds are soaked in warm water at approximately 60 to 70 degrees Celsius to stimulate germination. Seeds are evenly sown on carefully prepared seed beds, with appropriate spacing to ensure uniform germination and healthy early seedling growth. After sowing, the seeds are lightly covered with a thin layer of sand to retain moisture while maintaining good aeration. Shade structures are installed over the seed beds to reduce direct sunlight and heavy rainfall, helping to stabilize temperature and humidity and create favorable conditions for seed germination and seedling development. Transferring seedlings to nursery bags. When seedlings reach a height of approximately 2 to 3 centimeters, they are gently lifted from the seed beds and transplanted into nursery bags for continued care. Seedling care. Seedlings are placed under shade nets and watered regularly to maintain adequate moisture. Routine monitoring helps ensure healthy growth and allows for early detection of pests and diseases. Hardening seedlings. After several months, seedlings are gradually exposed to increased light and reduced watering to help them adapt to natural conditions, strengthen root systems, and improve resilience before field planting. Planting. Planting sites are selected based on terrain, soil conditions, and convenience for future care and harvesting. Planting holes are prepared, and chua seedlings are carefully placed into the holes, backfilled, and compacted around the base to ensure successful establishment and stable growth. From small seeds to chua trees taking root in forest soil, each planted tree contributes not only to greening and restoring ecosystems, but also provides long-term value for local communities. When forests are cared for properly, nature and people can grow together in a sustainable future.